So let's be real. Bad input or prompt will result in bad response from your AI. The only and main differences between bad and good prompt basically is your prompt structure. Let's say if you're not giving AI the right context or direction, you're basically asking a stranger for help with no clear clue what you want. And that's why the basic structure of prompt engineering is so powerful and important. And now you can see here is the golden format that sets the foundation for better results. The first one here is context. What is the situation or challenge? And then followed by the exemplar. Give an example of the desired results or style you are aiming for. And then we have persona. Who should the AI act as? Copywriter, social media strategist, Gen Z TikToker maybe. And then this is the core of your prompt, that is the task. What exactly should the AI do, right? Fix, summarize, or something else. And then how is the format? Should be in paragraph, bullet list, or caption. And finally, you can include some additional questions. Ask the AI to clarify what's unclear before giving an answer from your prompt. If you're ready to take your AI game further, there are 5 next level frameworks you can use based on your needs. The first framework here is chain of thought prompting, or COT. Use this when you want the AI to think step by step and in a good order. It's perfect for analysis, planning, and decision making, where logic matters more than speed. The basic structure of this prompt is context, objective, step-by-step reasoning, and clarity check. And then the final answer. I'll give you a real demo to show you how this prompting process. Context. Clearly define the problem or decision you're trying to make. And then objective. What specific results or outcomes do you want from this reasoning? And then the next sentence here is you can ask for the step-by-step reasoning. Explain your thought process step by step before arriving at a conclusion. And then it should be followed by clarity check. Highlight any assumptions or potential uncertainty. And then the last one here is final answer. Summarize the best solution based on your reasoning. Moving forward to the second format of prompt, that is the tree of thought or TOT prompt, used for simulating expert panels, collaborative analysis, and maybe for a strategic decision-making process. The structure of this prompt should be problem or questions. What is the central decision or challenges that you currently face? And then assign roles, define 2 until 3 distinct expert personas, and the step-by-step input from each expert. Each expert shares one step at a time. And then for more different standpoints and opinions, you can include peer critique. Experts score or respond to each other solution. And then it should be followed by the exit logic. If an expert is wrong, they drop. And finally, that is the final synthesis. AI gives a consensus or best judged conclusion. And then the third one here is ideal framework. Best used for marketing, branding, and maybe creative brainstorming process. Basically, ideal stands for idea, direction, examples, audience, and language. The basic structure of this framework should be idea. Basically, you're telling what you want to create, such as ad, maybe for a post, slogan, etc. And then the direction. Basically, this is your purpose. And the mood, tone, emotional hook, maybe. Subsequently, we have examples. It's definitely the real life example to match the tone. And then moving forward, we have audience. Who this is for? Maybe you can say for 20 to 30-year-olds who care about sustainability, who care about their health. And then the last one here is language. Basically, it's the style or tone. Either it should be formal, minimalist, casual, or else. In addition to these 3 that I have explained to you before, with the 4th framework here, you can get more variety of your results. That is the prompt remix framework. It's best used for generating variations, alternatives, or maybe for A/B testing ideas. The structure of this prompt are the original idea or sample. Basically, it tells your current situation or conditions. Or maybe you can provide the sample of your previous work. Subsequently, it should be followed by your specific objectives or goals that you want to achieve from your prompting process. And then we have constraints like the word count, format, or your target audience. And at the core of this prompt, that is the task. Generate verified outputs based on your goal, enabling you to get more tailored results from your prompting process. And then the last one, it should be feedback loop. It asks the AI model to score its own outputs and recommend the strongest one. Now, if you're thinking that's cool, but I don't want to write prompts every time, then you don't have to do so. Here's how you can do it. The first one, access CleverGPT, the link in the description box below. This is an AI assistant built for content creators and digital marketers. Every one of these framework is already embedded into Clarion's secret code. Upon accessing the CleverGPT, you will get a set of the secret code library, complete with its secret code and their functionalities. Just type a code like A99XYZ or A79XYZ, answer a few short questions, and CleverGPT will do the rest, using the structure, tone, and formatting for tailored and high-converting content and results, obviously. This tool is good for you who are working in digital marketing field. No more prompt writing, no more black screen, just plug, answer, and go. So here is the deal. The first one, prompt engineering is not just about writing better prompts. It's about thinking like a strategist, giving AI the right framing so it gives you results that actually works. Whether you're launching a product, writing a hook, or building a content system, the framework matters, regardless of your specific task. Subscribe for more prompt engineering hacks that will actually boost your productivity.